All right, y'all. So now we're doing the dry mixed spice. It's actually used a lot in the Caribbean. You may find it in the Caribbean as a British mixed spice, but it's the dry version of the mixed essence. So here goes. And again, this is baking season everywhere. So we're going to start out with 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Okay, so 2 teaspoons of allspice, 2 teaspoons of ground nutmeg. Oh my god, that smells good. Oh Lord, it smells. Teaspoon of ground cloves, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of star anise, and yes, I ground the star anise, and a 1/3 teaspoon of, oh Lord, that smells good. A 1/3 teaspoon of cumin. Grounded some cumin seeds. So again, the purpose of putting it in this pan is so that we can get out all the lumps. And now we put this into our jar for storage and use. Try to use a glass jar and that has an airtight seal, and this will last for years, maybe 2 years, 3 years. And that's it, y'all. And again, please label your jars because they all look alike. There you go. Dry mixed spice.